An undefeatable Igbo nation is not one where there is one that the Geo mmuo protecting the entire community while everybody else is allowed to free to frolic around. Igbo enwere eze. And an undefeatable Igbo nation is one where every Igbo person realizes na ha bụ eze mmụọ fa. Igbo niile bụ dibịa. Onye ọbụla ya chịkọ mmụọ ya n'obi nyawo, gụọ mmụọ ya every day. The coalescing of this nation of eze mmụọs is scary to whoever hates Igbos and Africans as a whole, because when we all come out for war, for a united cause, humans and spirits, ancestors, Arobinago will be fighting side by side. I mean, contrast this to the sad situation on ground now, trying to fight Western influence and neo-colonialism while largely being held hostage by religion, a Western invention that they exported to us. Holy Ezumezu is an Igbo tutorial, a great meditation tool when you're in the shower, and also it helps you remember your dreams when you sleep playing it. Yagazie.